I think the government should give more efforts on how they can try to send information, awareness with the students, and also the students din naman po. Parang kumbaga, it's a two-way aspect eh. Hindi naman natin pwede sisihin na ang government kasi walang ginagawa ng initiative. Also, I think po, the students and also my fellow students and also innovators should also try to make an also effort and initiative to look for the opportunities as well. Kasi syempre, kumbaga, kahit naman sabihin natin, for example, kung ang government natin, they really give effort to engage us with the opportunities. Pero kung hindi naman tayo interested, mahirap naman po, di ba? Baka kumbaga, it's a two-way connection po talaga. So, yun po, siguro yun po yung advice ko sa mga students na kung feel mo wala kang nakikita na opportunities na pinaprovide, try to create your own. Kasi it will follow na talaga. And then try to, huwag tayong mahihiyang magtanong at saka magtanong at mag-ask ng assistance with the government agency.